we've decided to catch the bus today, and in the distance on the right you can just see the entrance to our campsite, and that's the return bus stop because we're going to Weymouth, and this is our bus stop. Wendy's just waiting for the bus. We've got a bit of a wait yet, but it doesn't matter really. This looks a nice place. I think the pub's just up here. Oh dear, the traffic's coming again. Here's the local pub. But they had a motor show here yesterday and you could hear them. But the church looks good behind there. We've not really had a look round yet. That's the way to Hardy's Monument, 2 miles. And there's a local pub. Looks a lovely village, this does. Yeah, we've enjoyed it in Weymouth, so we thought we'd get the bus today and just walk round, do as we like. Wendy's standing guard. Well, if you're going to have a bus stop built for the Queen's Diamond Jubilee, look, 2012, you might as well make it a lovely one. You know, it wouldn't take much encouragement to move in here, it's lovely. Well, in this village, look, it's Fish and Chip Wednesday, 6:30 to 7:30. Look at that beautiful gnarly tree. That really is gnarly. There's Wendy, look. Just having a nice sit down. We'll get off here. After we left the bus, we thought, no, let's go mad. Let's have a cream tea. First one we've had in ages. It was gorgeous. turned into a pub crawl. I knew it would. We're on the bus, so on to John Smith's. Wendy's having cider, but they're changing the barrel, so she's just going to wait. But we're in the harbour. Surprise, surprise, we're in the harbour.
Go and sit down on the line.
There's the lift bridge. We've now crossed the harbour. I just thought I'd take a clip of what a lovely view of the cliff right out to sea there, look. Lovely. I don't know whether you can see, but there's a family just down there. Oh God, look at the size of my finger. Just there. There's a family fishing, grandma and granddad with the two kids, and they've got a fish, looks like a rock blenny. And wow, you've got a fish, how did you get, oh well, you know, Wendy does no more than says, oh, you've got to take it home for a pet now. Oh my God, we all looked at her. Poor grandma and granddad's trying to explain he can't take this fish home. What a bugger. This house is long here, lovely. I much prefer this side of the harbour. Seems much quieter. There's a lift bridge in the distance. And then this way's out to sea. Just another bit of video. We can see out to sea from here. Oh, I much prefer this side. Over there you can see right out onto the beaches. Some nice big boats coming out. That one's for sale, look, we could get that. I've got a couple of quid in my pocket. I wonder how much it is. Seems to be a few boats coming in. What we've got here is the bean painted to bollard, obviously for tying the ships off. But it just tickles you, they've done it so it looks like a pair of Wellingtons. Clever really. So the kids just gone out in a boat, look, all excited. Don't blame them. I stood on the tower at the end of the pier and the wind was horrendous, so we've had to take the sound out, but the views are fantastic, so we'll just let it run. after a full day walking around and enjoying ourselves, it's just a bus ride home.